Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's Monica from Crafting with Quilling Lady and I hope you have absolutely wonderful day. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make this super quick Santa or St. Nicholas beautiful Christmas card using Topper Sheet by Hunkydory Crafts. And I got this one during Black Friday week deals and I thought it is very unique and special, and yes, we can use it for any quick St. Nicholas cards, which actually we are going to celebrate St. Nicholas Day today. First, I'm going to use that beautiful topper and a sentiment from that sheet. And what I really like about Hunkydory Crafts, that actually all the elements are already die cut for you. You just have to peel them a little bit, and yes, they are nearly ready to use them for your projects. However, sometimes you've got small notches, but you can easily get rid of them using your scissors. Now I've got 8 by 6 inches panel, and I'm going to use my trimmer to score it at 4 inches, and I'm going to use my bone folder to do it, and that will be our base for today's super quick card. If you never ever use trimmer to score your card bases, yes, you can do it. You just need a bone folder, and yes, it is ready. Now I created a gold mirror card panel for myself, and I'm going to use that beautiful foiled sheet, and yes, we've got 2 panels ready for our project. Super quick and easy. Now, as usual, I've got my double-sided tape on the back, and I'm going to use my magic glue, one and only liquid glue, because I want everything to be adhered securely, and I really want all my elements to stay together forever. Now, when this is ready, I'm going to attach it to my card base, and we're nearly done. But yes, we have to add that topper and a sentiment. I wonder, have you ever used beautiful Hunkydory topper sheets? If you have, what did you create? Please let me know. Or maybe you've got your favorite. I would really like to know which one is the best for any Christmas makes. So please share that in the comments down below. Now, when our Santa or St. Nicholas is ready, yes, we can put that sentiment. However, I decided to use double-sided tape because I wanted a little bit more dimension on the sentiment. And I think that makes your card even more special and yes, more interesting. And yes, it will be absolutely stunning. And as you can see, Hunkydory papers are just so beautiful because they've got that beautiful foiling on top, and when you move them next to the light, they really catch the light beautifully, and they are just so special. Now I decided to use a little bit of gold ribbon. I just couldn't resist because the frame around Santa or St. Nicholas and the sentiment, it is gold. So I thought, yes, I really have to add a little bit of gold ribbon. So as you can see, it is very narrow ribbon, and I'm going to use 3mm red liner tape to adhere my ribbon on the card. However, as you can see, I didn't attach the ribbon before I put my elements together, so yes, there is a trick and I'm going to show you how to do it. But before, I've got a really big tip for you when you use red liner tape. First, try to stretch your ribbon and then apply red liner tape. As you can see, this 3mm red liner tape, it is perfect for this kind of ribbon, and it will be invisible when we attach it on our card. So now, when this is ready, I'm going to peel it off with my pokey tool, super quick and easy, and I'm going to attach it on the back of my front panel. Yes, you can do it, and make sure you stretch it properly because then it will be nice and even. Now I'm going to adhere both of the sides, and yes, I'm going to make a bow super quick and easy, and yes, our card is nearly done. What do you think about this make? Would you like to give it a go? I really hope this will inspire you to create something for St. Nicholas Day. Now I'm going to show you 2 other makes I created with that beautiful Christmas book, and as you can see, those 2 topper sheets are just stunning and I couldn't resist, so I made 2 very quick cards for St. Nicholas Day. Please let me know which one is your favorite from today's makes, and like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and yes, leave the comment down below which one is your favorite. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. On a Thursday I will have very special cards for you with edgeable dice. Happy crafting!